Hello guys, how are you? I am right back with an premium English version video for you all. As per your request, my dear friends, I am very much glad that people all around the world who are connected to the wonderful system of Purdvine International asking me to create videos in English so that they can share this video and create their team all around the world. This is my pleasure that I am creating videos for the people who can create their team all around the world. If you are the one, start creating your team with this video. My dear friends, today I have very big update for you all, and you all know that when I create videos in English that are extraordinary, that are awesome. Today I have very big update regarding the upcoming launch of new income plan which can be come with upcoming royalty. Yes, my dear friend, what you are waiting for, it's just coming very close to us. Hello everyone, I am Himanshu and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Purdvine Sahi. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the launch process of upcoming new income plan. The launch process has been started or not, that I am going to tell you secretly, my dear friends. And if you get some information from here, just smash the like button, hit the subscribe button so that you stay connected with us. And if you are not good at English, just hold on, our Hindi version video is also coming within an hour. Just wait a little bit, my dear friends, our Hindi version video is also coming. So let's talk on to the update first, but before that I want to remind you about the Excelsior upgrade. That is also a very important part of this video. Everyone who has upgraded to Excelsior level are very curious to know about when auto pulls are coming. But seeing the latest and the most updated auto pull chart of Purdvine, they are a bit hopeless. But I want to say you that it's not the time for being hopeless, but it's now the time for being energetic. I have a very good news for all the members who have upgraded to Excelsior level. Now many strong rumors have came that Excelsior level peoples are going to earn a bit more than all others level. Yes, my dear friends, if you have heard it correctly, then I must say you that in the upcoming new income plan, Excelsior level is going to get extra benefit. If you have upgraded to Excelsior level until yet, if you have not received any auto pull, now it's your turn. You are going to get extra benefits. So don't get hopeless, but rather than this, get energetic and be charged. And one most important thing I want to discuss with you all, many people are rather getting sad that they hasn't received any auto pull because the current auto pull system is working very slowly. So is there any reason to get worried? That I am explaining you now. If you are worrying regarding the auto pull, that I must say you don't worry. The system is working good, and in coming time the auto pulls may get much faster. And don't think too much regarding the auto pulls, my dear friends. If you have joined Purdvine, if you have upgraded your ID, then you are assured here that you are going to get auto pull, because we can see the trend since 5 years. Purdvine is continuously giving his auto pull without any delays, without any errors. So there's no need to worry. If your turns come, then you are going to get a very big amount of auto pull in the coming time. And secretly I am going to tell you one thing, my dear friends. In the upcoming English version video of Purdvine Sahi Hai, I will explain you how you can earn 1000% of your invested amount in Purdvine International within a time span of. If you are also very curious to know regarding this 1000% profit, then just comment down below in the comment section. I will explain you in the upcoming videos that how you can earn 1000%. I can say more than 1000% of your invested amount within a time span of 15 to 20 years. Hey, don't go anywhere, because it's now the turn for the most and the biggest update regarding the upcoming new income plan. As I have suggested you that on 15th of June, many big things can arrive in Purdvine International. Now it's the time to know, is anything arrived or it was just an update. My dear friends, it was not just an update. Many things has came, my dear friends, and that I am going to tell you now. As per the latest news and the latest rumors, my dear friends, I can say you that the launch process of upcoming new income plan has been started, and it's a very big hint for you all and all your team members, because if the launch process has been started, then it's sure that it's going to launch within 15 days. And it's sure, my dear friends, it is 90% sure that the upcoming new income plan can arrive to the system within 15 days. The timings are not fixed. In this term of 15 days, any day the updates can arrive. So stay tuned for this. Now it's the time to earn. If till now you have not understood anything, then no problem. I am explaining you in detail. What I have said you in my last few video that on 15th of June the new income plan could launch, but till yet it hasn't been launched. Then what's the scene is? As per the latest reports, the launch process has been started, and within few days you can see the new income plan in the Parliament International system. It is as per the updates, my dear friends. This I am not suggesting you or saying you by own. According to the latest leaks and rumors, it has been said that till 30th of June you all can see a very big update on Parliament International. I know many people are getting hopeless, many people are sad, their auto pools are not coming, many people are not working too. But is it the correct thing that you are doing? You have invested your amount. Now if you will not work, then nothing is going to change. If you really want to make some changes in your life, then just start working today. Many people are there who are saying that until and unless auto pool will not come, I will not work here. But if everyone will think like this, then how the auto pool will run? Getting serious is the most important thing in your life. If you are not getting serious towards anything, then never you can succeed in your life. Now it's the turn for a surprise for you all. And it's a very big surprise to all my members, to all my viewers. I and the whole Purlvine Sahi Hai team announced a very giveaway to our new channel Crypto with Himanshu. If you are unaware about this news, then now it's the time to know how to participate in the giveaway and earn the profits with zero investment. Yeah, it's really free for you all. Our new channel Crypto with Himanshu is going to do a very giveaway of 1 lakh cryptocurrency coin. If you are interested to participate in this, then we are having just simple rule. Just you are going to watch our new and latest channel, that is Crypto with Himanshu. Just watch any of our video and comment down below your name and subscribe the new channel and share it with your friends. Just these are the simple steps to participate in the giveaway. On this Sunday, we are going to choose one winner and we are going to give him or her 1 lakh crypto coin. So don't forget to participate. It's your turn now. Just search on YouTube Crypto with Himanshu. You will get our channel, subscribe that and watch the videos. And we are also going to add the channel link in this video's description, so you can find the channel from the description too. So that's all for today, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Waiting for the upcoming new income plan of Purlvine Sahi Hai. I am going to say you the secret of 1000% return on your investment on Purlvine.